Hi everyone, thanks for being here today. My name is Nicole and I'm part of the Omni team. I'll be starting off the first part of our presentation. I'll be joined later by my teammates Sherry and Lucas. Before we begin, I want to ask you a quick question. Have you ever been to a live event while you felt bored or like you won't really feel part of it? That happens a lot, and that's a problem our team is trying to solve. Our project is called Omni, and it's built to make live events more fun and engaging. Here's our plan for today. First, a quick intro to Omni. Then we will walk through how it works, how it looks like, the tech behind it, our sprint plan, and finally, introduce the team and open it up for questions. Let's get started. So, what is Omni? It's a smart, interactive event engagement platform designed for in-person events like company meetings. It's built to make live events more fun, inclusive, and effective. By combining real-time audience integration, multilingual support, and data insights all in one place, we designed it to help the guests feel more involved. Instead of just sitting and watching, people can ask questions, vote in polls, and join prize draws using their device. Basically, Omni makes it easy for the audience and the stage to connect in real time. Why do we need Omni? There are three big reasons. First, to improve engagement. We want people to feel like they're part of the event. Features like Q&A, voting, and prize draws make events more fun and interactive. Second, to support a global audience. Many events today include people from different countries. Omni supports real-time translation, so everyone can follow along, no matter what language they speak. It breaks language barriers at international level events. Third, we want to help organizers work smarter. With Omni, they get a powerful management dashboard and useful reports so they can see what worked and make their next event even better. In short, Omni makes events more interactive, more inclusive, and more effective. Now let's take a quick look at how it works from both the attendee side and the host side. For participants, they can scan the QR code or click a link from the host. They will be asked to enter the event code. If it's wrong, they will see an error and try again. Once access is granted, they choose a language and enter their display name. Then they enter the event lobby and wait for the event to begin. When it starts, they can join live polls, Q&As, quiz, and more, all in real time. The system updates as the host moves through the event. After the event, they may see a quick summary or feedback form. For hosts, if they already have an account, they simply log in. If not, they need to sign up first. After login, they can go to the dashboard and click Create Event to fill in some basic event details like title, time, or location. Then can upload a cover image and short introduction. Once that's done, the host will get an event ID. They can choose to add a guest speaker. This is optional. The host can add interactive features like Q&A or prize draws and set the timeline for when each activity happens. They can choose access settings, public or invite only. When the event is live, the host controls everything. After the event, they can view the analytics like participants' numbers, responses, and engagement charts on the dashboard. Now I'll pass to Sherry, who will show you the UI design preview, core features, and tech stack. Sherry, it's all yours. Thank you.
Okay, now I'd like to give you a quick preview of our user interface. This is our landing page. As you can see, the design is clean, modern, and focused. We have a strong, clear headline like this. Our goal here is simplicity and engagement, guiding both event organizer and participants to their next step quickly. And next page, As you scroll down the landing page, we introduce social proof. This section is important for building trust. We highlight testimonials from real users who have already experienced the value of Medley on Me. And then now for the event organizer in the room. This is where the magic happens. On the left is our event creation interface. It's user-friendly. Hosts can choose from different question types, like single or multiple choice. In the center, a colorful and playful layout allows them to type a question, add image, and set up answer option instantly. On the right, you can see the event management dashboard. Each event is displayed on the card, showing its title and type. Hosts can easily manage their events, rename, duplicate, or delete them. And when they are ready, they simply click Host Live Game, and the activity goes live for everyone to join. Let's dive a little deeper into the 4 core features that power this experience. First is live Q&A. Imagine a product launch where instead of a frantic sea of raising hands, attendees simply type questions on their phones. The host sees a list of questions, which can be upvoted by others, and can address the most popular ones on stage. Second is prize draw. To boost excitement, you can run a live lucky draw. For example, attendees at the trade show who check in are automatically entered to win, with the winner announced instantly on the main screen. Third is real-time multilingual translation. This is a game changer for international events. Picture a global summit where a speaker present in English. With Meetly on Me, attendees from China, Germany, or around the world can read live auto-translated subtitled in their own language, right on their personal devices. Final is analytics dashboard. After the event, the work isn't over. Our dashboards show you what worked. You can see which topic has the most engagement, how many questions were asked, and even how many people use the translation feature. These insights are invaluable for planning your next, even better event. To deliver interact features we have described, it's crucial to have a solid technical foundation. This slide outlines our proposed tech stack. The set of technologies we plan to use to build Meetly on Me. For the front end, we will use modern technologies like React.js and Next.js. This allows us to create a fast and responsive user experience. We will also use tools like White to make our development process smooth and efficient. For the backend, we will use .NET Core. This provides a powerful and secure foundation for our application's logic. A key component here is Socket, which is what will enable the real-time communication that is essential for features like live Q&A and instant polling. For our database, we will select PostgreSQL, a very reliable system for storing all the events and user information securely. Finally, to power the multilingual translation feature, we plan to integrate a leading cloud service like this. Next, it will be Lucas' turn to deliver the following speech.
Thank you, Sherry. So as you can see, this system flow diagram illustrates how all the components of our tech stack will work together. As you can see, the process begins with the user interacting with our React-based frontend. The frontend then sends API requests to the .NET Core backend. The backend is responsible for the core logic, including authentication, real-time events with Socket.io, and querying the PostgreSQL database through EF4. For language translation, the frontend communicates with an external service like the Azure AI translator. Finally, the entire application is deployed to the cloud on AWS using Docker, which ensures scalability and high availability. Let's take a closer look at our ER diagram. This database structure is the backbone of our entire platform. It all begins with organizations. Each organization represents a group that uses Meetly on Me. For example, a university club or a tech meetup group. Inside each organization, there are multiple members. Each member has a unique ID and belongs to exactly one organization. We also keep track of what each member does, like joining a quiz, checking in, or winning a prize in the member activity log tables. To reward members, organizations can issue raffle tickets, which are linked to the member and their organization and can have different status, like used or unused. Now let's talk about events. Each organization can create multiple events. Each event is made up of content blocks. This defines the event timeline. For example, a blog can show a video, display a guest featured profile, or trigger a minigame. These blocks are not the full content themselves. Instead, they act like timeline triggers that tell the system when and what to display. Next comes the game system, which is built in 3 layers. First, we define reusable game templates in the games table. For example, a quiz about AI knowledge. Then, when an event uses that game, we create a copy of it in the event game instance table. This is the actual live version played during the event. Finally, each participant's actions, their answers, and scores are saved in the game records. All of this is designed to ensure flexibility, scalability, and accurate tracking of user interactions. Our database not only supports today's core features, but is also ready for future expansion, like new interaction types. We will execute this vision with a clear and disciplined development plan. Our team is split into front-end, back-end, and DevOps specialists, and we follow an agile sprint model to ensure we deliver value quickly and consistently. We track all our tasks in Jira and use GitHub for version control. Our sprints are logically structured. Sprint 1 was focused on setting up the project foundation and the basic landing page. Sprint 2 is dedicated to building secure user authentication. Sprint 3 and 4 will deliver the core features we've discussed, like creating events, games, and player interactions. And we'll plan Sprint 5 and 6 during upcoming meetings, based on our progress at the time. This is our awesome team. Joe's our tutor. Busarin is our BA. We are a team of 10 developers working together across different areas of the project. Nicole, the project lead, Horan, Rayleigh, Sherry Chan, Sharon, Lucas, Eric, Connor, and Yafei. We've been working closely to make the project a success. That's a quick look at our project. Now we like to hear from you. Thank you.